We are at grocery store number 2 getting our meat.
But you could just buy it.
Hey guys, Dad is teaching me how to make teriyaki sauce from scratch today. We're gonna use it to make kalbi and then barbecue it at my new apartment. So, he's outside. But this is the veg. It's all washed, so. Let's go jalapenos next. And now a little ginger. Grate the ginger. Hey?
Yeah, but I like to when I do it, after I grate a certain amount, I go like this.
Oh, that
to
way.
the edge, and then I take it over here.
Then the garlic. Listen.
And what size pot you need is how much.
Many garlic. How old are you?
You never go bam. That's only TV.
This is TV.
See how?
To the pot. Soy sauce. Brown sugar. Nine. Don't you simmer it?
Yeah.
Okay. And some sesame seeds. It smells right.
Smell. Yeah, right?
We're gonna put the meat into the tray. And then we're gonna let the sauce cool and then marinate it. And line it up. Okay, we are back and we're gonna pour the teriyaki sauce into the container. Okay, don't spill. It fits perfectly. Try and get all the meat covered. Only the bone part is sticking out, so it should be fine. It smells so good. Okay, this is it. It's going in the fridge. I will see you at our barbecue. Hi guys, welcome to my apartment kitchen. This is where we're doing the barbecue. There's a pool and a barbecue, so that's why we're doing a barbecue here tomorrow. If you haven't watched my moving vlog, I literally just uploaded it, so you should go check that out so you can see the full apartment and then keep watching to see the pool area and everything. Today I am making potato salad to have it ready and prepped for tomorrow. First we're gonna do cucumbers. Let's do two cucumbers. Wash them. This is actually the ghetto. I realize I don't have a real knife and I don't have a cutting board. So we're gonna peel the cucumber and then make do with a butter knife. Dad, if you're watching this, I forgot. Okay, I did like little stripies. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. This is great. I'm gonna wash my favorite potatoes. Look how cute they are. Also, this is a sidebar, but I love that this camera autofocuses. Do a pan to boil some of them. What a palava. What a palava. This is a struggle. I want a real knife. I salted the water, but I'm sure none of it got in because it's skin on, but. Okay, so this is our thingy. Uncle Jeff puts pickles in his, and Dad says it's really good. So we're gonna try. Oh my gosh, what a girl boss. Okay. And then some mayo. I'm actually feeling really strong today. So everyone should just tell me I'm really strong. Okay. How do I mix this question mark? Okay, this is attempt number 1. Honestly, I ate a potato and I ate a cucumber and it's not bad. Like the flavor's fine. I think it's just, it's not visually appealing. We're gonna put this in the fridge and taste it later. I'm low-key pretty proud. I did that without a knife, so. Okay, this is our potato salad. I will see you and everyone tomorrow. Are you gonna wave to the people?
I didn't know I was on. What?
It's hot on my feet.
Imagine someone calling a rainbow and neon and completion get dark arms and you rain Bro!
90.
No, you just walk. What? You're gonna win though!
It's barbecue time. Innovation at its finest. Is that someone's slogan?
Mine.
It is now. We've got zucchinis and our meat that we marinated. I've got my sparkling water in an anthro cup.
You got nothing in it.
That's true.
Yeah.
Got the zucchini on the grill, the meat on the grill. There's Auntie and Madison. Auntie and Madison. Yeah. We had a successful barbecue and we are going home.
You can help me out and you out and everybody else.